Python code for your AI extracting text from parsing sections.
This project consists of two main parts. Backend, Fast API, handles fetching YouTube transcripts and summarizing them using AI. Frontend, Streamlit, provides a simple UI where users can enter a YouTube URL and get a summary. One backend, Fast API, how it works. Step 1. Extracting YouTube video ID. The YouTube video ID is extracted from the user-provided URL. This ID is necessary to fetch the transcript. Step 2. Fetching the transcript. Using the YouTube Transcript API library, the transcript is retrieved from YouTube. This API attempts to fetch auto-generated or manually uploaded captions for the video. If no transcript is available, an error is returned. Step 3. Summarizing the transcript. The fetched transcript is then processed in one of two ways. Using OpenAI, GPT-4, sends the transcript to OpenAI's API for summarization. Using a Llama, local AI model. If the user selects this option, a local AI model, such as Llama 3, is used to summarize the text instead. Step 4. Returning the summary. The summary is sent back to the front end as a JSON response, containing both the video ID and the summarized content. How to run the backend. The backend runs on Fast API and can be started using UVicorn. Once running, it exposes an endpoint where requests can be made to fetch summaries. 2. Frontend, Streamlit, how it works. Step 1. User input. The frontend is built using Streamlit, which provides a simple web UI. Users enter a YouTube video URL in a text box. There is also a checkbox that allows users to select whether they want to use Llama instead of OpenAI. Step 2. Sending the API request. When the user clicks the Summarize button, the front-end sends a request to the Fast API backend. The backend processes the request, fetches the transcript, and summarizes it. The backend then sends the summary back as a response. Step 3. Displaying the summary.
Python code for
Once
your
the
AI
summary
extracting
is
text from
received
parsing
the
sections.
backend, it is displayed in the UI. If an error occurs, e.g. invalid URL or missing transcript, an appropriate message is shown to the user. How to run the front end. The front end runs using Streamlit and can be launched with a simple command. Once running, it provides a user-friendly interface in a web browser. 3 API testing and deployment options. Testing the API. If you prefer to test the backend without using the UI, You can send a direct request to the Fast API server using tools like curl or Postman. Deployment options. The backend can be deployed using services like Render, AWS, or Railway. The frontend can be hosted on Streamlit Cloud for free. The entire project can be containerized using Docker for easy deployment. 4 future enhancements. Improvements and features to add. Chapter-based summarization. Instead of summarizing the whole transcript at once, break it down by sections. Sentiment analysis. Detect whether the video has a positive, neutral, or negative tone. Multilingual support. Translate transcripts before summarizing. Telegram/Discord bot. Allow users to request summaries via chatbot.